Hi guys, welcome to my another video. At home we often have door and cupboard magnets which are either too old to use or broken and can't be used. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how we can use them. I am already using them in my house for various purposes. Let me share with you how. These magnets are big and have good power capacity. Let's get into the video now. For this we need some old broken door magnets, a screwdriver, a hammer and a plier. Start by breaking the outer shell of the door magnet. After this, I tried to break the bottom part of the magnet in two parts, but it was too hard to get. So I switched to the upper portion of the magnet and voila, I was able to cut that in two equal parts. So basically what I am doing here is taking out the plastic cover of the magnet from all sides. I noticed that it was easy to break when the upper portion of the magnet was properly cut into half. Now with the help of plier, I am taking out the magnet. This is the second one and by same technique I am taking out the magnet from this. Now here I am taking help of two pliers. So guys, this technique worked for me. You are free to use any method which is convenient and workable for you. Look how big and broad the magnets are. And they really have a strong power. I broke that small magnet while taking it out, so be little gentle with it. I'm using hot glue to paste these magnets. Fevicol or any other strong glue can also be used. These are some small individual spice boxes which I use in the kitchen. With the help of hot glue, I am pasting a magnet at the bottom of this box. Same way I did with the other boxes too. I even glued these magnets to the small steel canisters which I use for the powdered spices. I also made these magnetic WhatsApp emojis. For this, I downloaded the picture from the net. For the base, I used something that was available to me. A foam sheet, a cardboard or a cork sheet can also be used. Cut it into desirable shape. And after that, glue the emoji, the base and the magnet together. With this, you have your magnetic WhatsApp emoji ready. It can be used on fridge, it can be used on whiteboard, it can be used on the surface where the magnets can be used. Here are some other steel spice canisters to which I glued the magnet. This is how I am using them on the fridge. They look good on the fridge and they are a great space saving idea too. My spices are always handy and organized here. I glued a magnet on the kitchen tile above the gas, and yes, it holds my flame lighter and my gas lighter very well. This way it is always easy to grab one. I do not keep the flame lighter near to the gas when the burners are in use. These are my magnetic WhatsApp emojis on the whiteboard, and yes, my whiteboard is magnetic. I also made these glass magnetic pebbles the same way I made the emojis one. This was a shape in a card. I cut it out in a good shape. I pasted a magnet at the back and voila, my fridge magnet is ready. Leave a comment if you would like to see how I made the magnetic WhatsApp emojis and glass magnetic pebbles. Also, please leave a comment if you would like to see how I organized my kitchen and what space saving ideas I am using. I'll make a different video on that. So this is it for this video. If you like my video, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Like, share and comment as well. Thank you for watching.